Okay guys, I'm with Culligan Water now, and a lot of people will ask me, do I need a water softener? Do I need a water filter? What about the purification systems? So I've got Culligan and Andy here. Andy, can you tell us, first off, what is a water softener? Why do people need a water softener? And then we'll talk about filtration systems very quickly.
Okay, so the water softener applied to city water or well water. It removes hardness mineral, which is calcium, magnesium, and iron. So the good thing is you won't have dry, itchy skin, and you are using 70% less detergent and protect all your appliances. So no more soap scum in your bathroom. So we have two models here. So this is the standard model, computer control, and this is the smart system. Even though connect to your phone, you can monitor and communicate with the phone. Even though we'll tell you when the source need to replace, or you can bypass your outside tap. So this is for the whole house.
I see. Yeah. And so the chemical process is that you put salt in here.
No, it's not chemical process. Okay. The salt is just for regeneration.
Okay.
That remove the calcium, magnesium, and iron from the water.
Okay.
And make the water become soft.
Makes sense.
So no dry, itchy skin. Hair will be like silk.
Okay, very nice. And then, a lot of people ask me, Ricky, I have a water filter on my fridge, but is that enough? Do I need something bigger in my basement to clean the water?
So this makes the water soft. The fridge is just remove the chlorine and some big particle in the water for cooking and drinking. It's different from this one. This is for whole house.
This is whole house, yes.
That one just for drinking.
Okay.
But when you're talking about drinking water, we have the reverse osmosis system behind you. So this reverse osmosis system, we have three different models here. So this one is no water tank when you see them. And this one is the smart system. This connect to your phone. You can see what's going on and all the data of the drinking water system. And that one is the standard one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So something like this, will it tell me the kind of particles that are coming out of the water?
You can program to the app and see how much contaminant remove from the system.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's very interesting because a lot of people will assume that, okay, I don't need water softener or water filtration unless I live in a farm area or a rural area. But the reality is we're seeing more and more of these systems in even local residential homes.
Yeah, so this system is applied to city water and well water, but the application depends. So city water and well water, the application will be different. So we need to test the water of the well, and then we will determine what system to improve the water. But city water, very straightforward. You need a water softener and a drinking water system.
Fantastic. Andy, if anybody wants to get a hold of you, how can they get in contact with you?
So you can contact me by the number 416-318-6262.
Thank you. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.